So we got this John Deere 535 disc mower here, and it's had some trouble with the gearbox mounting bracket. What actually happened originally is this overrunning clutch wore out and had some play in it, so the whole drive line was shaking, and that broke the mount for the gearbox, and then that broke the bolts, or had the bolts come loose. Actually, they're broke. So we've got to get the bolts out of there and straighten that out and re-weld it up. It's got the gearbox out, but you can see there's two broken off bolts in the gearbox. So we're gonna weld nuts on them and try to get them out. And then you can see this bracket is all screwed up here. There's the broken piece there. So we're gonna try to hammer it down flat and weld up all the cracks. Okay, so we got everything cleaned up and kind of put back together. So we're gonna try to get her welded up now. All right, so we finally got everything welded up here, and I had to grind it down some so that the gearbox is gonna sit flat on there. Otherwise it's just gonna keep vibrating and cause more trouble. So we're gonna hit it with a little bit of paint so it doesn't rust, and then we'll start putting everything back together here. Okay, so we got the gearbox back on, bolted down, and painted it up a little bit so you can see a little bit of the welding's been done, and it doesn't look too bad. Hopefully it holds together, that's the main thing. So we're gonna go ahead and go cut some hay with her. Hope your day's going well and you enjoy the video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below, and if you want to see more videos like this come up in your feed, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to find out when our next video comes out every week, hit that notification bell below, and that'll send you a notification when our next video comes out, which we try to send them out every week. Thanks a lot for learning more about our farm, and we sure appreciate it.